Hi everyone, I'm Amy. Today I'm making easy no-bake lemon cheesecake squares. This super easy dessert has a sweet and tangy filling on top of a buttery graham cracker crust. The best part, no oven required. This recipe is simple. Just mix, chill, and enjoy. So let's get started. To make the crust, in a bowl, add 1½ cups of graham cracker crumbs, ½ cup of butter melted, and 1/4 cup of sugar. Mix this together. Now pour this into an 8x8 pan and press it evenly into the bottom, then set it aside. To make the filling, in a mixing bowl, add 2 8-ounce packages of cream cheese softened, 1 14-ounce can of sweetened condensed milk, and 3 tablespoons of freshly squeezed lemon juice. Now beat this together until it's creamy. Now place the mixture on top of your graham cracker crust and spread it out evenly. Now just chill this in the refrigerator for at least 4 hours to set up. And here it is. Easy no-bake lemon cheesecake squares. And you can add different toppings to this, such as fresh or canned fruit, or even whipped cream. For this recipe and many more, check out my website at amylynskitchen.com. You can also find me on social media at Amy Lynn's Kitchen. Hi everyone. And today I'm making easy no-bake lemon cheesecake squares. Ooh, that was hard to say. An easy no-bake lemon cheesecake. Easy no-bake lemon cheesesteak. Cheesesteak. I know I like it because I've had 3 pieces already. Oh, so good. It's creamy. It's delicious. I love the crust on it too. Okay, I did eat 3 pieces. There's only 2 left. That's all that's left. There's 2 pieces left, and the one that I held up, which I'm eating too. Yeah, it disappeared. You gotta try this.